Hi, in this video I will show you how to edit video cover on the Instagram. So the process is pretty simple. If you want to customize a cover on the Instagram video, simply follow this procedure. So first of all, open your Instagram mobile application and you have to click on the plus icon in the main menu. So simply tap on it and after that select the video. Once you will select the video, you have to click on the arrow on the right top, tap on it and after that click on the continue. Now you have to click on the cover from the right bottom. Once you will click on the cover, you will see your whole video is here. Also you will see different cover pictures, so select any picture according to your choice. So once you will select the cover of the picture, after that you have to click on the arrow again on the right top. Once you will do it, now write your caption and upload this video on the Instagram. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.